You've heard that click 1,000 times. But how does this pocket machine strike a spark and keep a flame alive in wind that would kill a match? 4 parts inside one brass case: a knurled steel wheel, a spring-loaded flint pressed against it, a cotton wick running down into fuel-soaked packing, and a cam and leaf spring in the lid. Your thumb rolls the knurled wheel. Those sharp crosscut ridges grip and drag hard across the flint held directly beneath it. That flint isn't flint. It's mischt metal, a pyrophoric alloy, meaning freshly exposed metal ignites in air on contact. The wheel tears off microscopic shavings, and each one lights white-hot the instant it is torn free. Meanwhile, the wick has already done its work. Naphtha soaked into the packed cotton below climbs the woven fibers against gravity by capillary action, keeping the tip permanently wet. So when burning shavings land on that wet wick, it isn't the liquid that catches. It's the naphtha vapor hovering just above it. The chimney is punched with rows of holes. They admit enough oxygen to feed the flame, while breaking up any crosswind before it reaches it. But mischt metal is consumable. Once the flint wears below the wheel, there is nothing left to shave. The wheel spins freely. No sparks, no flame, even with a full tank. So the full chain. The lid snaps open, your thumb spins the wheel shaves burning metal off the flint, sparks land on a wick kept wet by capillary action, and the chimney shields the flame. Subscribe for more everyday objects, taken apart and explained.